everyone, it's Andrea from Movers and Bakers. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my mango and pistachio ice cream. This is a beautiful, rich, creamy ice cream, perfect for a summer's day. Let's get going. Okay, this is a really simple ice cream. It doesn't require churning, it doesn't require any special ingredients especially. This is double cream I've got here that I'm tipping into my bowl. 600 milliliters of double cream, so quite a lot, but it's totally worth it. So with my double cream, I'm just going to whip it up until it's just starting to thicken. That's all we want. So when your double cream has thickened up enough that it's just dripping a bit like single cream, so it's thickened up a little bit, we are ready for the next bit. So to this, I am going to add some mango pulp. As you can see now, you can either use fresh mangoes that you've whizzed up, or you can buy tins of this as well. Today I'm using a tin just because it's convenient and I wanted to make a quick ice cream. So this is mango pulp. I'm going to tip all of that in there. And once you've got that in, we're also going to put some condensed milk in. Now, really important to make sure when you use condensed milk that you use the full fat version and not the low fat version. This is going to give you a much lovelier, creamier ice cream. So definitely go with full fat on this occasion. So I'm going to tip all of that in as well. Once you've got all of that, my next step is absolutely optional. I like, because my family comes from India and I remember having kulfi, mango kulfi and things like that as a child. For me, I really like to add some cardamom in as well. So this is ground up cardamom. You can use it, but it's completely optional. I just think it adds a really lovely warmth to the ice cream. So I'm going to pop that in as well. All right, time to get whipping again. I love this ice cream. It's so quick and easy to make. It doesn't need any churning or anything like that. Once this is done, it'll just go straight in my freezer and then I just leave it overnight and it's ready to enjoy the following day. And don't forget, if you liked this video and if you enjoy my recipes, to like it and to subscribe as well so you always know when I release new ones. Once you can see trails being left in your mixture with your whisks, you know you're good to go. Right, so I'm going to use my spatula just to get any little bits of cream that I might have missed off the sides. Make sure everything's really well combined. This is really beautiful and thick, as you can see. And once you have done that, it's time for our pistachios. So I've just got a really good handful of pistachios that I've chopped into large-ish chunks. I'm gonna pop all those in and give it a stir through. And once you've stirred your pistachios through, we are all done. And now all that's left is to pop it in your tin. So you can use any Tupperware or anything like that with a lid. Because I want it to look pretty, I'm just going to use a regular loaf tin and I'll cover it with cling film before it goes in the freezer. Now I'm just going to use my spatula just to smooth the top so we get a nice even top. We can't see where we've poured it. And then as an extra final touch, I just have a few extra pistachio nuts that I've chopped up here that I'm just going to sprinkle just over the top of my ice cream. And once you are done with those last bits of pistachio, this is going to go in the freezer. It needs to chill for at least 4 hours. I would just leave it overnight and then you can enjoy it the following day. When you pull it out to enjoy it, make sure you leave it out of the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to come a little bit up to room temperature because it will be really, really hard. And then it's good to be enjoyed. There you go, that's it, super easy, no churn, mango and pistachio ice cream. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it if you have and do hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me today, friends. I shall see you next time.